Hi all, in this video I am going to demonstrate how to interface a stepper motor with an node MCU. Okay, here we have a stepper motor. Okay, as you all know that it comes up with an 6 pins. Okay, in 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, and then VCC and then ground. Okay, probably you might be knowing that how the stepper motor is going to be exciting and it going to be rotating. Okay, for each step what is the rotation it is going to be take place you will be knowing, but in order to drive this stepper motor it requires an high current. That's why I cannot straight away interface to an Arduino board. That's why we have an driver IC here. For this driver IC we will be connecting from an external battery power source, and we are going to get an excitation for in1, in2 and in3 from the Arduino board. Okay, just if you have a close look at the code. Okay, this is the same code what we have been discussed in theory classes. Okay, here we have been including a stepper.h, then we have been initializing an in1, in2, in3, in4, 14, 12, 13 and then 15 pin. Then we have been setting and stepper speed to 60 in the setup. Then we have been beginning and serial. Then in the serial print and we have been printing and clockwise. Then in my stepper.step we have been giving in steps per revolution. That step per revolution has been initialized with 200. Once it has been reached and 200, we are going to rotate anti-clockwise direction. Okay, now let us try to power up the circuit. Okay, here it has been getting a sound. Why? Because means it has also interface to the relay switch of that particular board. That's why it has been taking. Okay, here you can see this, it has been rotating. It has been rotating. Okay, this how this stepper motor is going to be rotating. Okay, I think rather than connecting to that 13 pin, if I change to another pin, we will get that stop relay switch connection. Due to that it has been not able to rotate properly. Why? Because means it is drawing in more current there. Thank you. You can verify this code with a different rotation.